Hey guys, I think I'm gonna be coming back here again. I got the white noise machine to work and had such a good time with my big pretzel in the bistro with the cutest dog contest where I can't believe I voted for the Brittany. Also, they can get a canine unit here in Ephrata. Shout out to Alex. And had a nice walk down the street. Beautiful old houses here. Got that piece of quartz there. There's a lot of quartz around here. A lot of quartz, blue quartz around home. White noise is really loud, right? Good coffee downstairs. I wrote my cards out to my peeps. If you're getting a card you know you're loved from the museum shop. I think next time I'm going to be coming with my girlfriends. Maybe we can get the whole carriage house and both rooms, huh? Wouldn't that be fun? Oh, my girlfriends. Oh, my god. Anyways, I'm going to finish Starved Acre and have a shower. But I thought we would try to speak to Matilda since. So, Matilda, are you here with us? Hello, Matilda. We would like to speak to you. You know, my mother would love this place. My mother and grandmother. So I feel like my mother is with me. So maybe I don't like to bother her. Although she visits me in my dreams all the time. She's usually shopping and having a good time. So, hey mommy, are you here? What's that? Rephrase. Hey mommy, I love you. Are you here? Yes. I know you would love this house so much. My mother will be falling out over this house, seriously. Yeah. Oh, wow. So, I'm going to finish my book then. And I voted for the Brittany. And I think my mother is here with me, so we'll talk to you later, guys. Yeah, having a good time. Bye.